I did not pose this morning. I've been posing a little bit less and stretching a little bit less lately just due to low energy. So I'm gonna try to start posing at night maybe and stretching at night just to like spread things out a little bit because I feel very tired right now and it's only 7:37 a.m. And this morning I'm gonna try to make poached eggs in the microwave just because I'm craving poached eggs. Trying to change it up, trying to be creative, and it's a pain to do poached eggs with no kitchen. So we're gonna microwave and see what happens. Already broke one, still gonna attempt to poach them. Put a little cup or two of water in there and pop them in the microwave for 60 seconds and see what it looks like. A little dash of vinegar. Watery eggs with vinegar, salt, and pepper. Definitely needs more time. So let's try another 90 seconds. Supposed to cover it. That's why it's not cooking. It might be over poached. I didn't really know what I was doing. So here's my egg. Just gonna plop it over the salad for flavor. Yeah, they definitely overcooked. Oh well. Tomorrow's another day, right? At least they're kind of poached. And some nice egg water. Oh yeah. Birthday balloons from yesterday. So guys, yeah, my poached egg thing was a fail. I was supposed to put a plate on it while it was in the microwave, and I didn't do that in the beginning, so it did not really work out. And I honestly felt like I could cry because I messed up my breakfast and I was freaking starving. And I probably wasted parts of the eggs, and I'm only supposed to have 3 eggs in the morning. And the fact that I wasted one of the 3, I was like heartbroken because I'm hungry. Prep things. Oh god. Here's my squid that I like. It's actually really good. Asparagus and salad, then I'm gonna have a carb. Probably 2 rice cakes. Good morning, guys. We are 2 weeks and I think 3 days out. This morning, I have a little bit of a sore throat, but feeling okay. Gonna have some pre-workout. Get ready for the gym. I got this from Amazon because I was desperate. Ran out of the other stuff. My pre-workout, and I have another option just in case. Both easily accessible. Microwave poached eggs, take 2. Gonna add a little water. Nothing. Looking good. Are these done? Am I gonna ruin them? Oh, I think they're done. They're done. I'm gonna eat these. Yay, it worked. Prep food this morning. Mushrooms and poached eggs with spinach in the microwave. Yep, it is what it is. More like boiled, not poached. I like them runny and basically raw. Nope. wait for our kitchen to be done. It's a disaster in here. I tried making coffee on top of this chair, and of course it's tilted. So, coffee spilled on the chair, on the floor. So I had to move it down here. Hopefully, it still tastes okay, because I really don't feel like making it again. Just bought this coffee too. Vermont maple walnut or something. Sounds really good, but not as good as it does in my mouth than on the chair. I always buy a bunch of different flavors of coffee from the grocery store, but I always drink it black and just put stevia or a 0-calorie sweetener in it because it's still really, really good and tasty. And 0 calories. You don't need to go to Dunkin' Donuts and get 300 calories worth of coffee. That isn't even gonna make you full. Just tastes like a big sugar drink. Use this. This is preferred stevia. It's more natural. Here's another flavor I love. I'm hunting around this mess for the rest of my coffee so I can show you. I found it. Here it is. Oh, this one's my favorite, so I'm gonna show you guys. Yes. This and butter pecan from the grocery store. Amazing flavor, especially with a little stevia. They sell pumpkin spice. Guys, no excuses. Let's go see the kitchen in a minute. Alright, here I am on the floor here. As coffee is. Look, here I am. I'm gonna spill again. On the floor. So, this is prep with no kitchen. You sit on the floor, you make your breakfast in here, you make your coffee in here, and you just sit around on the floor with all these things. What a mess. We are 2 weeks and 2 days or 3 days out. Oh God, I don't know.